Good morning, children. I am Anmol Messi, PGT Physics, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Children, in my previous videos, we have discussed about work, power, and energy. And today we are going to start with a new chapter which is known as System of Particles and Rotational Motion. Now, obviously, in this system, we are going to study about particles, uh, uh, a set of particles which is also known as system, and various other topics related to system of particles. Okay, so actually, this chapter is subdivided into two parts. First of all, we'll study about system and system of particles. Then later on, we'll study about rotational motion. Okay, so first of all, let us discuss what is a particle. A particle or maybe a point mass is something whose dimensions are neglected. Okay, and when we have a set of such particles, then that set of particles is known as system of particles. Now, what is center of mass? So center of mass is a point in that entire system of particles where we can suppose that the entire mass of the body is concentrated. हम ये मान लेते हैं कि उस सिस्टम ऑफ पार्टिकल्स में से एक कोई पॉइंट ऐसा है जो हेडक्वार्टर है. हेडक्वार्टर मतलब सारा का सारा मास वहीं पर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड है. ठीक है. Now let us consider a method by which we can find the center of mass of a body. So first of all, we have various types of bodies. So we are taking symmetrical bodies, like this is a circle, this is a square, a rhombus, or maybe a parallelogram, a triangle. Such bodies have their geometric center as their center of mass. As you can see here, for non-symmetrical bodies we have two methods. One is practical method, but practical method is not in our syllabus, so let us discuss a mathematical method directly. Okay, so this is a body which is very clearly it is shown in the diagram that it is non-symmetrical. Okay, so how can we find the geometric center of this body? It is impossible. So we cannot find the center of mass of this body using the concept of geometric center. There is a mathematical method by which we can find the center of mass. So for that, if I have considered an origin O over here, and this is a system which has got three particles. The mass of first particle is m1, the mass of second particle is m2, and the mass of third particle is m3. Okay, so we have three particles, and all the three particles have their respective mass. Okay, this is maybe the center of mass. So the distance from origin till mass m1 would be considered as r1, till m2 it would be considered as r2, till m3 it would be considered as r3, and till center of mass it would be considered as capital R. And we are supposed to find the expression for capital R only. So applying the principle of moments, m1 r1 plus m2 r2 plus m3 r3 would be equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3, in bracket we will close that, and into capital R. And if we will take this capital R as subject, then it would become m1 r1 plus m2 r2 plus m3 r3 upon m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now this is the general formula to find the center of mass. If we want, we can apply the coordinate system also on the same formula. So if we want to find the x coordinate of the center of mass, then we can take this as m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m dot 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 mn xn, that is for n number of particles, upon m1 plus m2 plus so and so on till mn. Okay, similarly for ycum, that is the y coordinate of center of mass could be found by m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus and so on mn yn upon m1 plus m2 and so on till mn. Similarly for z coordinate of center of mass, we can make the same formula. Only thing is that in place of x or y we will write z. All right. Now on the basis of these expressions, you can try various numericals from your textbook, like we have discussed in the class. For your reference, I am discussing a numerical of center of mass. So this is a lamina where there are three boxes. Okay, and we are told that this is the origin. Okay, and it is given that each box is of 5 gram and the side of the box is 10 centimeter. So obviously first of all we will find the coordinates of the center of those boxes. So this is the center of this box. This particular box has got this center and this particular box has got this center. Now इन centers का भी मुझे center निकालना है जिसको हम लोग center of mass कहेंगे. So for that we will find the coordinates. So obviously if this entire thing is of 10 centimeter, then half would be of 5 centimeter. So this point has coordinate 5, x coordinate as 5, if we consider this as a graph. Okay, this is x axis, this is y axis. Similarly for y axis, the y coordinate would be 5, but here x coordinate would be 10 plus 5 is 15, but y coordinate would be 5. For this again, from here to here it is 10 and then 5, it is 15 for y, and for x it is from here till here it is 5. Now we have all the three coordinates, we can apply the formula of x COM, y COM, and we can easily find the center of mass of the body.